Your home might secretly look outdated in 2026, and most people don't even realize it. Some decor trends that were once popular are now making homes feel old, cluttered, and cheap. In this video, we're revealing the outdated home decor trends you should stop using right now, and what modern luxury styles are replacing them in 2026. If you want your home to feel modern, expensive, and aesthetic, keep watching. Interior design trends are changing fast in 2026. Modern homes are now focusing on warmth, comfort, natural textures, and smart luxury aesthetics. So let's start with the first outdated trend. All gray interiors are slowly disappearing. Instead of cold, gray spaces, modern homes now use warm beige, earthy tones, and soft natural colors. Overcrowded wall decor is making homes feel messy and outdated. Modern homes focus on clean statement pieces and minimalist luxury wall design. Harsh white lighting is being replaced by warm, ambient lighting. Warm LED lights instantly create a cozy and luxury atmosphere. Heavy dark furniture is no longer trending. Modern interiors now use curved furniture, lighter wood tones, and soft textures. Cheap LED overload and neon lighting can make a room feel less premium. Instead, modern homes use hidden LED strips and soft layered lighting. Too much matching furniture feels outdated in 2026. Mixing textures and materials creates a more designer-style look. Fake plants everywhere are being replaced with real indoor greenery and biophilic design. Overly empty minimalist rooms now feel cold and lifeless. Modern luxury homes add warmth through fabrics, textures, and lighting. Outdated farmhouse decor is slowly fading. Organic modern design is becoming the new luxury trend. Generic wall signs and quote decor are losing popularity. Modern homes focus on unique art pieces and textured walls. In 2026, the biggest home decor trends include curved furniture, smart lighting, earthy tones, luxury textures, and warm, cozy aesthetics. People now want homes that feel relaxing, modern, and natural. So these were the outdated home decor trends you should avoid in 2026. Small changes in lighting, furniture, colors, and textures can completely transform your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more modern home decor and interior design inspiration.